Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to connect Windscribe VPN on PC. Windscribe VPN is a tool that encrypts your browsing activity and helps you stay secure online. I will walk you through the steps to use it on your Windows computer. Once you've downloaded and installed Windscribe on your PC, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard of the app. At the top, you will see your current status, which shows whether the VPN is connected or disconnected. Below that, you'll find the data balance. If you're using the free version, you might start with 2 GB, but adding an email address can increase this. On the left side of the app, you'll notice the firewall option. The firewall provides additional security by blocking all internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. You can turn it on or off depending on your preferences. To connect to the VPN, click on the power button at the top of the app. It will connect you to the best location automatically. If you want to choose a specific server, click on the Locations option. You'll see a list of available countries and cities. Select the one you prefer, and the VPN will switch to that server. You can also access advanced settings by clicking on the 3 lines. Here, you can enable features like launching Windscribe on startup, minimizing it to the system tray, and showing notifications. There are also advanced features like IPv6 protection, which should remain enabled for better security. For added protection, enable ad tracker features. These options help block ads, trackers, and malicious websites. There are additional filters available like blocking gambling, crypto-related websites, or clickbait content. Customize these settings based on your needs. In the connection settings, you can enable Auto Connect to make sure Windscribe activates whenever you start your computer. To disconnect the VPN, simply click on the power button again. If you need to log out or quit the app entirely, you can do so from the menu in the down left corner. While Windscribe is a decent VPN, but I recommend NordVPN as a much better alternative. NordVPN offers faster speeds, better security, and a larger server network. It also has a strict no-logs policy and advanced features like threat protection for enhanced privacy. With NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it out risk-free. If you're not satisfied, you can request a refund within 30 days, effectively using it for free. Click the link in the description to get started with NordVPN today.